one get murdered tonight.
Good day, people. With much sadness, I regret to inform you that Max Romeo has died at the age of 80. Maxwell Livingston Smith, also known as Max Romeo, was a reggae legend like none other. He pioneered the way for many that came after him. His likes will never be forgotten. This video is a small tribute to the works he has done over the years and showing him some appreciation for the life of servitude he had for reggae music. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Max Romeo was born on the 22nd of November 1944. He was a Jamaican reggae and roots artist who recorded music and achieved global success. He started in his home country and then he found success in the United Kingdom and then he went global. He had several hits with the vocal group The Emotions. His song Chase the Devil gave him worldwide notoriety. Take a listen.
Lucifer, son of the morning, I'm gonna chase you out of earth.
Now, growing up in Jamaica, I am 99% sure that most of us have heard this song before, and this song will forever go down as one of his greatest hits. It is featured in many pop culture, such as video games and movies. Max Romeo will never be forgotten.
I'm gonna put on an iron shirt and chase the devil out of earth. I'm gonna send him to outer space to find another race. I'm gonna send him to outer space to find another race.
We also can't forget hits like Melt Away. Let's take a listen.
As smoke has been driven, so drive them away.
This song is personally one of my all-time favorites. With its catchy beats and its soothing melodies, Melt Away will always hold a place in my heart.
It pay. And if a righteousness, yes, a righteous pay. Melt away, melt away, melt away, like ice cream. He used.
We also can't forget the all-time classic Norman the Gambler.
Oh, nah, nah. Tell you a story about Norman. He was a gambler.
Norman the Gambler, this song will be one of my all-time favorites forever, because this song gives me memories of the days when I was a smaller child in my community and the elders would be listening to this song in particular over and over again.
He lives off the left, running from the east to the west. Let me tell you more. Norman never lose, always wins. Yet Norman never.
Now I could go on and make this video an hour long talking about how much I love Max Romeo and his music, but I think I have said enough, and condolences to Max Romeo's family and all of his loved ones and friends. With that being said, people, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to show your appreciation by leaving a like and subscribe. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.